friends, welcome to Little Creative Kids. Today we are going to make one paper rocket. Okay, and fold the paper like this edge to this edge. And it should be straight. Sometimes the paper will be so hot and so soft, but we can't find it. Now this paper is so hot. Then turn this. And you turn back now and do it like this on the line. The paper is so hard. Now you will go like this and do it like this. Now it's like an envelope. You will get like an envelope. And turn it back and you'll get like this line, right? Normal. And turn that like this, the normal, and you will get this. Yeah, you get it. Now you will get like this. Turn it back, you will have here one hole like this, see, and do that hole like this, and it will like crocodile. Turn it back and put inside that hole. You did it. Yeah, like this. I put inside the hole. The rocket is going to ready. And fold this like this. We will do this like to every rocket. You know already. But it should not be like this. It should be like this straight. For that only the rocket will come strong. Yeah, so we got it. And you will get like this. If you do this, you will get like this. Yeah, like this you will get. And turn it back. And this is so easy. Our rocket is going to finish. Now turn it back and do same to this. Now our rocket is ready. Rocket is ready.